Hey YouTube, welcome back. Rimshot Drummer here with another exciting mini lesson for you. Lots of great news to share with you guys today too. Today's mini lesson, however, is called Kit Drum Syncopation. We have 4 really cool syncopated bass drum lines to give to you today. So without further ado, let's get started. Our first pattern today falls on the downbeat. Let's take a listen. Our second pattern today falls on the upbeat. It starts on the upbeat. So it's a little bit more complicated, a little bit more challenging, but you can do it. I have no doubt. Check it out. Our third pattern starts on the downbeat. So here we go. Pattern 4, kind of interesting. See if you can tell me in the comments below which did it start on, the downbeat or the upbeat. Well, guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's mini lesson. Couple quick things. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, we are very new and we're growing, only a couple months old. How about hitting that subscribe button below for us and joining us as we help make better drummers out there, out of beginner and intermediate drummers. We would love to have your support. Hey, the great news that I alluded to earlier in the video was the fact that, hey, we have started a Patreon page, guys. We have started a Patreon page. There's a link down below for our Patreon page. You've been supporting us for the last 4 months as we've been getting off the ground and getting this channel started. I would really, really hope that you guys will partner with us on Patreon and help us get better as far as our sound, as far as our lighting, have higher quality video content for you guys. Thank you so much. Hey, all my friends in Italy, Greece, the United States. Hey, we would love to have you guys support on Patreon as a patron. Wow. So, hey, give us a shot. Click the link below. And again, subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Click the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. See you on Patreon. Bye-bye.